This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Private and secluded, stunning mountain view. Like new 2025 construction on 3.04 unrestricted acres with breathtaking year-round mountain views. Nicely landscaped, fire pit, low-maintenance home and yard. Just 5 minutes to downtown Blairsville and 15 to Blue Ridge, moments to the scenic Living Waters Winery. Would make a fabulous short-term rental. Room to grow with potential for additional buildings. Features include stainless steel appliances, indoor furniture included, underground power, BRMEMC High Speed Internet, fiber optics up to 1 gig. Public water, huge parking area. Easy access off Highway 515. A rare blend of privacy, views, and convenience. Call me today. For more information.